Number one. Durant a triple of his own.
So smooth, so
three. That's the problem. Klay Thompson and hitting a three right off the bat.
Good sign. Secondary winning.
Klay Thompson. They need him. Livingston barely reestablished. Nick Young three, and he got it.
How about that?
After Durant hurt the Blazers for 22 in the first half, and that ends very quickly.
I like the Warriors' chances though.
Draymond from deep, and he got it. Looking for Klay on the inbound. Drop down to Draymond. Perfectly done to JaVale McGee.
The boot.
Durant drop it into Caspi and nowhere to go. KD, feet set, three down. It was Looney that switched out on Lillard, make him give up the ball. Durant with the three.
There was no hesitation there.
5. Livingston, yeah, he wanted to make up for that foul. I think it had been a big problem. Klay Thompson rainbows in a three.